Accurate measurements are required for an electric power supply to work reliably. Even minor mistakes in measurements may result in serious accidents. This is why instrument transformers monitor current and voltage values at all stages, from generation to consumption. However, this workflow contains a number of points where access is difficult and measurements are required but cannot be made due to the limitations of the measuring technology or issues of cost and/or space. This significantly reduces the reliability of the grid and the degree to which processes can be managed. Profotech would like to introduce the new product, an optical flexible current transformer, CT. This compact device enables measurement points to be installed even in the most congested sections of the power supply circuit. Our optical flexible CT consists of two parts. A flexible measuring element is assembled from special magnetically sensing fiber optics placed in an insulating protective cover. The flexibility of the sensing element allows it to be installed around any type of bus bar. An electronic processing unit, or EPU, is mounted on a standard 19-inch rack. Our EPU can also be supplied inside a protective plastic case that provides mobility and allows extremely accurate measurements to be made directly on site. Profotech's optical flexible CT can be used at all stages of the power supply circuit, from generation to consumption. Overhead power transmission lines often connect to underground cables, especially in big cities and at road, rail and river crossings. Overhead lines, cable joints, are used at these transitional points, making them extremely difficult places from which to take current measurements. For this reason, these measurements are often not made at all. Flexible optical CTs can be installed even in extremely cramped conditions, without the need for expensive construction works. The open configuration of the flexible loop renders the lengthy process of disassembling current conductors unnecessary. The optical transformer is wrapped and mounted around the cable joint, creating a point of measurement right at the junction between the aerial and the cable lines. Current measurements at a number of points are required for electrical substations to operate reliably. Traditionally, standard inductive CTs were used for this purpose. However, when a point of measurement is required and there is not enough space for a traditional CT, flexible optical CTs come into their own. Optical CTs are capable of making the same measurements as traditional electromagnetic CTs, and with greater accuracy. However, thanks to their compactness and ease of installation, they can be used even at the most congested places in the substation. Our flexible optical current transformer is a compact, accurate and reliable device. Profotech has developed and retained ownership of all the technology, both for producing unique magnetic sensing fiber and for assembling instrument transformers using this fiber. With our instrument, current can be measured at points where this was previously not feasible. It ensures maximum accuracy and reliable operation of the power supply system as a whole. Profotech. We provide complete, smart solutions for the future of your substation.